Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the first programming with Node.js. In this application, I am just printing out "Hello World" to the web browser. So we can see how we will do that. So I have a workspace directory where I have a Node.js folder, and I create a file called app.js inside that Node.js folder. So if you can see here, I have app.js. So right now I'm going to that file right now, and I need to write my first programming lines. So the first one I need to declare a constant. So I'm declaring as a HTTP, and it need it need a module called HTTP. So I written that, and I have another constant called hostname, and we usually give the local host probably 127.0.0.1. Okay, so we have two constants right now. I need another one, constant port. So here it's an integer constant, and I'm making it as a 3000. Then another one, it's also a constant, and server, that's calling our node module to create a server. Create server, and I will accept request response. And here I will have, yeah, I need to mention my request and response. So here what exactly I need is request response. Okay, then inside my function, I will call create server. Before that, I need to set my status code. Status status code 200. Then response dot set header. I will give my content type here. So content type content type text plain or whatever text JSON, text plain, whatever we can mention. So here I have that one. Then I am closing my bracket, and I need have another one to show my body. So hello world, that's my body. Okay, so that's all about that function requirement. Then another one, server dot listen. I will have port host name, and I will have one more parameter. Then inside that, what I am going to do is I will write a couple of things. So server dot listen port and host name I mentioned, and it will listen for any kind of request. That's why bracket is there. Then the next line console dot log server is running. Okay, so I'm almost done here, but couple of things I need to change. Oh, not going to insert anything. Okay, so here I came here and I'm done with that. I'm closing my file and saving it to the app.js and not. Okay, so I have some issues here. So 517 HTTP is not defined. So I'm going here HTTP HTTP. Yeah. Oh, again I got the problem here. TPP. Save that one. Right now server is running. So we can see whether the server will work or not. So just take this one, localhost 3000. Okay, so we got the result. So that's all about that programming. So we just made some changes. So we require that HTTP module from Node that I already did. Then I uh, defined two constants, and another one that I am going to do is I create a server instance and it's stored in server constant. Create server, we need to pass recurrent request and response. So request and response body, then response status is 200, response set header and response body also. So that's a server one. Then that server of constant listen to the port and host name. So if we are multiple server defined with another constant variable, constant server 1 and server 2, and one server listening to port port 1 and host name 3000, port 1, port 3000 and host name localhost, and another one port 3001 and host name same. We can define that also. So this is just an example for a hello world using Node.js. Thank you for watching.